InDepth Eva MRC is an interactive and visualized platform for evaluating and analyzing machine reading comprehension models. Existing accuracy-based metrics just investigate the performance with the word overlap. However, these metrics have restrictions on knowing how well the model understands and reasons. This is an example. Although the MRC model finds the correct answer, it is hard to judge whether it indeed inferences the answer or only finds the temporal string for when questions. This demo introduces a fine-grained post hoc analysis method. On the one hand, we analyze the linguistic bias via performances with different linguistic properties, such as question types, passage readabilities. On the other hand, we perform skill-based analysis methods based on the modified test samples and semi-automatically generated test samples. The platform is a complete system, which contains 5 main modules: MRC datasets, MRC models, principles for in-depth analysis, evaluation, analysis and visualization. The first is the dataset module, which supports 6 benchmark MRC datasets and lists their statistical information. Besides, users can also add and upload new datasets to the platform. The second module consists of model management and training. We provide 7 popular MRC models. Users can quickly train an MRC model by adjusting the hyperparameters and training dataset. All trained models will be shown here. The third module describes 3 different principles for in-depth analysis. The first principle is linguistic bias analysis. It splits the test set into several subsets according to different linguistic group standards, and then analyzes if there is any linguistic bias in the MRC model. The platform lists 5 linguistic properties and plot the corresponding frequency map for each dataset. The second principle is internal skill-based analysis. The platform lists multiple cognitive skills of 3 types to mimic human knowledge to solve the MRC task: reading, reasoning, and reasoning with query. We also show the reconstruction method and detailed examples for each skill. The platform provides the interface for generating reconstructed sets. The last principle is external skill-based analysis that relies on external manually semi-automatically generated cases. We use Checklist, which defines 18 skills and semi-automatically generates test cases at scale from manual templates. Hence we can evaluate each cognitive skill with the corresponding accuracy. Then the platform evaluates the trained MRC model on the original new test sets. Then the platform lists all results and supports illustrating each sample for a case study. In linguistic analysis, the platform shows the performances on different sub-test sets. In internal skill analysis, the platform shows the performances on different sub-test sets, and provides complete case examples. In external skill analysis, we report the accuracy and some test examples. Besides, users can also download all kinds of test sets and upload their prediction files to the platform. Finally, the platform supports 2 kinds of visualizations. For single model visualizations, we provide detailed analysis for 3 types of analysis. For linguistic bias, we plot F1 SOCR on different subsets and analyze bias via extreme point detecting, such as when questions, low word frequencies, long answers. For internal skill-based analysis, we plot the performance drop on all test sets for each skill. Users can easily see how the model has mastered different types of skills. For example, the Spanbert model drops significantly on these skills, which indicates Spanbert has a basic sentence-level understanding. It is almost unchanged on these skills, which indicates Spanbert has not relied on explicit hypothetical and logical marks when understanding these relationships of the article. Users can find the detailed analysis for each skill from the aside tips. As for external skill-based analysis, the platform additionally illustrates the detailed example cases for each skill. The last page is the interface for cognitive comparison between different MRC models. Users can select 2 MRC models in the left top block. The right part presents the comparison, conclusion and case studies for 3 analysis principles. Finally, the left bottom block makes an overall summary for model comparison. Here we list some of our observations. We select the BERT and GPT-2 models for comparison. We found that BERT performs better on reasoning and reasoning with query skills. GPT-2 performs better on reading skills. The flowing block provides detailed case studies. In conclusion, this is an interactive and visualized platform for evaluating and analyzing MRC models. The platform provides thorough analysis for pre-prepared MRC models but also supports users' new model analysis.